A little bit.
We'll have to find out.
They type the number super fast and
I want to know because I want to hack some
and
vending
I got that. But look, there's no change in the change machine.
month's $500 gift card giveaway. What is up, guys? Welcome back to an
Pound, star, pound, star, pound, star, pound.
It's not even opening.
It's too much crap in there.
They actually
After
do.
you finish that.
How many is
Okay,
that?
there you go. Go. 3?
Oh, so there's.
Oh, it's stuck. You have to tilt it.
And we'll come back.
That's still. So does he get his money back? And comment hashtag notification squad. Leave a like.
Arm or something?
Nah.
Video. Okay.
It like put my drink down.
Everyone gets a chip.
That is awesome. So
Go and you get $1 back from the
he
corner.
got it for free, and
It's not gonna go through, so it's gonna try.
without further ado, gosh,
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
this is gonna be crazy.
Sun chips is probably healthier, but I don't and it gives you the right.
If you guessed it, like, where did it even start?
Hold the door.
Which door is he?
Dude, it's not even.
If you have, tell me
And then
how we will hack this, but anything free.
I'm gonna do the same comment. Okay, so I've inserted $1, and that is.
And now he's just got a free drink.
Can I have an
He pressed the button once and that actually came out. Make sure to like, subscribe. How do you even know how to do this,
now
guy?
you're gonna order a different one.
That bell.
The vending machines right here.
Let's do it. Come on.
They hacked the
God.
vending machine.
Are you serious?
Apparently this one is where some kid actually. Is he getting 2 drinks here?
I'll order
Like the price of. So this kid apparently just hacks the vending machine and gets all his stuff free. So let's see.
Come on.
Day and peace. What? Ways, I don't know how, but some people have, so one or something.
Just a random drink.
Or is he just gonna get it
No.
all free?
You're
Come on.
Oh my god. Subscribe button, leave a like, and turn on notifications by clicktifications. That is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you all in the next.
Put your money in. Alright. What you're gonna do is you're gonna order a drink.
He got his
So
money
you
back.
can go ahead and count it out. 25, 50, 75.
No way. That will easily come out if they tilt it.
Tilt it.
There's 3 of them.
And
Think of this in the first place. Like, what do they do to test? There's that other kid who holds the door vending machine now, and I'm guessing they're going to do some kind of trick that. Oh, that's not very good for you. We can't even see his money back by. So he puts his money in, and he's gonna get his money back by. Oh.
No, hold on. Alright, I put 150 in.
No way.
Button on a vending machine. Put it back, I think.
And you're gonna need this type of machine that has the little cart thing. I'm gonna show you in a second.
What?
then we're going to.
How does he even? He knows the. Does that actually work?
What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the door.
Hold the.
Hold on,
There's a door inside of the vending machine. Where?
You get a chip. You get a chip.
No way. So he got his. Oh, he got.
You mean like kind of like.
Hacks a vending machine.
My trick was.
I don't know. It's really easy. It's simple, and best of all, it is free. Anyway, guys.
Down there. So.
Stacked. There's 3 of them stacked up on each other. Finding out how and where he does it in this video. If you guys are new though, do make sure to hit the. No.
No.
Machines too. If you want to hack some vending machines, tell me in the comment section. That will easily.
No.
Where they get a load of like.
No, you just have to tilt it a little bit.
They're all loud now.
Yeah, so they're going up to a getting free stuff.
Give your money. Alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna.
I've actually got stuff free before from vending machines. in certain way notifications, and to enter that giveaway too, make sure to follow all the steps it does.
And the thing is gonna come up.
Oh, what?
Awesome. Thanks.
Wait.
Right there. Oh, dude, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Going down. And then
It works, what? Getting free stuff. My god. They hacked it. Like, subscribe, and turn. That was the weirdest method I've ever seen. Alright guys, so we've come.
And it's gonna get.
He knows it off by. I don't understand what is going. I don't understand what's happening here. Oh my. 3 on there. Coming out.
This might as well be the holy grail.
Below if you want free stuff from vending machines. Still.
and so
Today's notification winner is here. Congratulations.
let me put this down.
I really don't. So this kid is literally going to get talking about
Well, it does that, and it's not gonna.
to come out, which is crazy. We're gonna be 3 just fell down. Oh, and another one.
C3.
So he's gonna get.
There's only $1 credit. Nothing down.
Wait, there's another one now. See what he's doing? Because he just keeps going back. He literally hacked it. So he gets his money back for.
Back. And you still have no product. I'm gonna order B5. 5.
Wait,
That's how you override a vending machine CPU.
kind of stuff.
And then over here, you put your hand in there.
Oh, so it's kind
So
how did they even ever got any of the same method? Congratulations to you, thank you so much for your support. If you want to win like that person, just don't understand how he even did it though. One, have an amazing looking at something that is. Wait, so has he got his money back? It sounds like some.
oops, as shown. So $1 that way. Here's my $1.50. So,
Vending machines. Tell me in the comment section below if you've. Incredible. Basically, some kid ends up pressing a certain heart.
in the
Order.
So he's
so you have to put another $1.
Well, that seems strange.
turn on notifications to enter this.
It's gonna give you your money back.
No way. See how he does it. It's gonna be some crazy way, I'm guessing.
You just want to hit this coin return button right here.
Leave a like and make sure to click that bell and turn on my notifications
Star there. Again.
Did it come back up?
Not yet.
to free from.
It's gonna try again.
You guys know what's going on, tell me in the comment section because I just don't. What did he even do?
What's it gonna do? It's gonna keep trying, and it's gonna stop.
The video. In today's video, we are going to be on this cameraman is just moving about the camera everywhere.
My money in. So I'm
Free stuff, which will be crazy. Understand? All I hear is money coming out and in.
and then you
Money's coming out or something. Also tell me in the comment section below because I know a ton of people have. Let's get right into today's video.
Put your money in. That's what you're gonna do. Just get all of it.
Oh wait, what? What's happening now?
You're gonna stop the door again.
down here. So really quick, let's punch in the code.
To the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy that one and people get in the comment section below. If you are new, do make sure to subscribe.
And it should say home and X right here. So
B4. B5's not working.
You just have to tilt it. Just take out the stuff and talk. Yeah, so
machine, and he gets the whole entire vending machine